Hi guys, so today I'll show you how to write hello world in 5 different ways. So this is the very first step of Java code writing. Let's not waste time and start right away. So first one is I'm going to print the hello world. So in order to do that, what I have to do is to print this I have to bring up the system.out.println. There's a shortcut in Eclipse, so I'll write out and control space. That will bring up the system.out.println, and I'll just write hello world inside of that. And then if I run this, I see hello world. Okay, so that was one way of printing hello world. Next is I'm going to use string. I'm going to create a string variable to write the hello world. Alright, so string, I'll name it intro. Then I'll print it out, control space. I'll name it print space. Alright, now if I run it, it said print hello world. Okay, so now I'll show you how to write hello world using list. So first thing we'll do is we'll create arrays of string type. So string A1 string and then I'll get the list view of array. I need to import the class. Alright, after that I'll print it out. I'll name it list view. Let's print it. Alright. Next is I will write the hello world using set. Alright, so in order to do that, I will use the same step as I did to create the list view. Okay, string A to new string what I'm trying to show you in here is the difference between list and set, because What list does is list prints everything that's in the list, but when it comes to set actually does not print the duplicate. So I'll write some duplicate hello world. I'll keep them in the list. Oh yeah, I have to do this. After that, I'll put them in the list. List 2, and then arrays dot as list. Then I'll say A2, and now I'm going to put this list in a set. So let's bring up the set string. I'll write set1 for this, and new linked hash set. I need to import the class. All right. Now set1 dot add all. I'm gonna add the list in here. List 2. All right. Now I'll print it. Set view. Set1. Let's print it. Even though I have like 3 hello world in the list, I'm getting only 1 hello world, because set only takes set removes the duplicates. Okay, so I'll go for the next method, addition. So okay, so what I'll do is I'll create 2 strings. Z, I'll name it Z. The next one I'll name it X. I'll give the first one hello. Next one world. All right. Addition of strings. Z plus X. Oh, missing the comma. All right. So I'm seeing the hello world together. So what I can do, just I could give a space, and now if I print it again, hello world. So that was 5 ways of writing hello world. But I also kept a bonus feature. I'm gonna use loop to write hello world. So let's start. So in order to do that, I'm gonna create a list. So it's not going to be a fixed list this time. I'll name it list 4. New So I'll keep adding the strings. H E L L O. I'll keep one space between hello world. L D. Alright, so I have a list that contains hello world letters. So what I will do now is I'm gonna create a loop to print that int right, and that's out list dot get it's actually list 4. Okay, the variable. Now if I print this, let's see what happens. So I'm getting the hello world. Okay, but the reason that I didn't give it a name, I didn't print any name for this, because then it will print for every loop, it will print that name. So I have to give that name outside of the loop. So what I can do is loop. So now if I print it, it's giving loop equal to hello world. Okay, so there it is. Now you know how to write hello world in different ways. Thank you for watching the video.